When you saw the mosque, or the casket, on the night of 27th, Kevin wasn't in it, was he?
He was not. Praise the Lord. But at that time, we did not know where his body was.
Understand. And ultimately, Kevin was buried.
It's not that simple.
Your Honor, that's all I have. Thank you very much, man.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Ms. Anderson, thank you very much for your testimony today. You may step down.
Boy, what a cross-examination. I'm so happy. Joining me now, half of my dynamic duo today, just the two of us, St. Paul, Minnesota criminal defense attorney, former federal prosecutor, my friend Jack Rice. Listen, Jack, I felt like that was a textbook cross-examination again. I think he made some compelling points.
Yes, he did, and you are absolutely right. If we think about what cross-examination is, it's designed to promote your theme. In this particular case, this defense attorney was extremely narrow, extremely specific, and what he got in the end was it didn't go the way you wanted it to go. He did what he said he was going to do. He got your brother buried. There were mistakes that were made, but mistakes happen. Now, if you think of it in the context of what he's been arguing throughout the case, this is exactly what he wanted to get out of this witness. Does it make it civil? Clearly. But does it make it criminal? His argument is that it doesn't.
And, you know, I did an op-ed called From the Bench that we have on the Court TV website, and it talks about the differences between a bench trial and a jury trial and what would our viewers do if they had to pick. And as soon as this cross-examination concluded with, but your brother got buried, didn't he? All I could think, Jack, was brilliant to do a bench trial, because I think that emotional approach or the emotions of this case would really get to a jury.
Oh, no question about it. Frankly, it was the last witness. What she discussed, sort of how she felt horrible, how she had betrayed her brother. I mean, what that did was grab you and hold you, because I think we would all feel that way. And there becomes this question of, what is this case really about? And what I think this defense team is really trying to do, this defense attorney is really trying to do for Mr. Hardin, is to make the argument that he is a bad business person, or at least he drops things. He makes mistakes. He doesn't make agreements the way that he should. He's not as professional as he should be. He meets at a gas station, which seems completely inappropriate. But does that make it criminal, or does it just make him less competent? And when you put it that way, I think what you get is you get the ability to narrowly argue what it is that the case actually is about, and really look at what it is that Mr. Hardin is trying to do on the back end of this case.
Great points, Jack. And we know the judge is going to look at the law. He's going to listen to the testimony and then apply that to the law to see if every element's been met. You're going to stay with us, Jack, because coming up, we'll have more testimony from the fake funeral home trial. Will the state soon rest its case in chief? We'll get you back into court. And also breaking news in the Depp defamation trial. We now have a ruling on Amber Heard's request for a mistrial.